I think this picture shows something about Wales that probably, initially Wales had the original Britain's Got Talent, the original X Factor, because here we are at the local Eisteddfod with this young girl on the stage, standing there bravely, in front of all of these people, and also the judges you can see sitting at the table there. And it's quite an amazing thing, really, when you think about it. And to get the picture, the back of the stage was actually covered in black drapes, and so I crept behind the drapes and just poked the lens through a little crack so nobody could see me here actually taking the picture. And I think it's nice as well that we can see the Eisteddfod chair here in the foreground. But, yeah, what a thing to do at such a tender young age, to stand in front of so many people and perform. I think it's wonderful, and it's one of the reasons why I've now decided to learn Welsh, because at the Eisteddfod everything is spoken in Welsh, and I wasn't really able to understand anything, so I've made some inroads into learning Welsh now, and I'm very happy.